We are going on a journey in the rainforest.
Cool. I hear an animal. I think I'm scared of them.
We're being washed down river.
Oh no, what's going to happen?
Don't be scared.
I think I am.
Look, there's a big patch of leaves.
What are you saying?
I'm saying there's a big patch of leaves.
What do you mean? My turn now.
Right, let's build the house.
Oh look, there's some nice supplies that we could use.
Yeah, we could use them. The house is complete.
It's amazing how much junk you can accumulate in a short amount of time.